7:15 p.m. for southwestern Muhlenberg, Christian, and central Todd counties. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pembroke, or 7 miles east of Hopkinsville, moving south at 50 miles per hour.
50 miles?
Hazard,
Oh God.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Elkton, Pembroke, Crofton, Justice, Hawkins, Allegra, and Clifty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Christian, Muhlenberg, and Todd. Severe